sun rising. It's about 6:30 right now. It's a little bit of cloud, that's why I can't see it. Morning. I am doing a quick coffee shuttle for my husband. He's still sleeping. And I believe I heard my dad sneeze. Either from um, like the lobby area. Because as soon as I come out of our room, there's like the main lobby. And I believe that was my dad's sneeze. So I'm gonna go downstairs and check out. I'll probably see them if it was them. 내가 방에서 나오자마자 아빠 기침을 들었어. 아빠 맞지? 네.
It's a beautiful morning, isn't it? 추워?
안 추워. It's like
Aiden?
80s.
You wanna go outside?
No.
Okay, well let's open the door and see.
우와.
옷 다 말랐네. Oh, yep, these are all dry. Oh, good. Yeah, I've been like too much sneezing in the morning. But we're good. You ready for breakfast?
Yeah.
Aiden.
You're so yummy.
How was your sleep?
Eh?
He doesn't smile. 아빠도 뽀뽀해줘야지. 입에다 뽀뽀해줘야지.
So yummy.
The honey's good. So, like I said, that was exactly my dad's sneeze, and as soon as I go into the cafe, like I see them waiting for coffee. I heard that sneeze for 30 plus years.
It's water.
It is water. You wanna go inside soon? Only downside to, if I have to say or pick a downside, is that they don't have any sort of sweetener, as in like syrup that they could add on their end. There are a bunch of like sugar packs and all that, but they don't have any like even vanilla syrup, like, which is pretty shocking. I feel like that was like even like our restaurant, who doesn't sell coffee or latte if you have vanilla syrup. But they didn't even have vanilla syrup there, so I was just like, what? Because I wanted to make mine sweet, but they did have honey, so I added honey, and it is very good actually. So it's about 7 in the morning right now. We are going to meet my parents at the breakfast buffet around 8. How's your vacation so far? Is it good or bad?
Good.
Good.
I'm swimming.
Yeah, show me. How do you swim?
I like this.
Wow. You know, we were pretty shocked yesterday because we had his like the vest, like the the floating vest on, and it was more for safety, but we kept like lifting him, right? We didn't expect anything, and he's like wanted to swim. Like he started pedaling with his legs, and he was actually like doing something, so which was really shocking. But it felt, this time feels really different compared to when we came last time in November, which was not even like half a year ago, almost a half a year ago, yeah. He's grew up so much ever since then. The whole experience it feels different here with Aiden, and yeah, it's definitely a lot more fun in its own way, because he's so much like 딸기 milk? We don't have 딸기 milk, but we'll go get more fruit, okay? 몇 시야? 한 8시쯤 만나기로 했으니까.
Okay, 7:07.
It's 7:07?
어?
Oh, we have a lot of time.
어디 갔지? 어디 갔지?
Yeah.
매미하고 올 때.
아기가 잘했어.
그거 엄마 거예요.
엄마 여기 나도 안 돼요.
거기 놔두면 안 돼요. 미안해요. 엄마 주세요. 고마워요.
그래서
아, 거기다 놔야 돼요? 어디다 놔야 돼요? Can you show me? Where do I put it? 여기다 놔야 돼요? 아, 아니까 옆에 놔야 되구나. 오케이.
엄마 어떡하지 앉아?
어? 어디 앉을까, 엄마?
여기.
엄마 여기 앉아. 엄마 푸푸해야 돼. 걔 마미고 푸푸?
예.
오케이. Cheers.
나왔어.
아니, 엄마랑 cheers.
나왔어.
아니, 엄마랑 여기서 놀자. 자, cheers.
Cheers.
짠. 아, 굳이 여기까지 오고 TV를 봐야겠어? 짠.
안 나와. 이거야.
야, 나가 오픈해.
와, 내 차고있어. 나도 맛있어.
너도 맛있어. 엄마도 맛있어.
나도. 제일 못하게.
달걀. So yummy.
It's so tasty.
Oh, it's so tasty.
Yeah.
High five. Oh, you're so strong now.
Mommy strong.
Yeah, mommy's strong.
Mine too.
Yeah, Eggie's strong.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's wrong with her?
Cheers. 짠. Now where are we going right now? We're going to have breakfast.
이 자리 다 맡았어 사람들이 벌써. 언니 미안해 다 맡았어 그래서 엄마가 자리 2개 맡아놓긴 했거든.
It's 2x.
아니 플랜빵 갖다 줄까?
아니야 이거 뭐? be careful. Thank you.
수트로 갖다 달라 그랬는데.
그거 옆에 있지?
빨리.
흘렸어. 엄마가 먹어야겠다. 엄마 거?
아니야.
아기 거야? 엄마 거.
엄마가 안 돼.
오케이. try it? 자.
입이 있잖아.
너스 안 먹니?
우와.
와.
juicy.
응?
같이 옷 입을
I
거야.
don't think you guys can see me here.
싫어, 싫어. 이거
네,
안 돼.
Uh-oh, be careful. We're trying to go to like a kids play area, and Aiden is fighting us.
Let's do that.
Okay, let's go. It's slippery. Are you having fun? Yeah, we're gonna check out the kids area.
Yeah, you
Get more coffee for mommy and daddy. And
아빠야.
yeah, I spent like a good hour just laying down. And I think even that was too much because I am dark. 아이고, Is it yummy? Anna, what is that? Can you show me? Anna, can you show the camera? What is that? What's his name?
Mentorate.
Can you say the name?
Look, it's bigger.
It's bigger, yeah. What's his name?
Look.
Aiden, what's his name?
Look at this. Look at this.
Is he a shark?
Nah, I think. Oh, it's a mandarin.
That's
It is a
right.
mentorate. You
Whoa,
like
it's high. Whoa.
This is our last full day. And the sun is up. We're supposed to have a very clear sky. Clearly, we're totally back from vacation. It's been 2 days since we came back from Mexico, and I am about to go to work in a couple of hours. Aiden is at grandma's and about to have a little bit of lunch before I head out. But yeah, Tony and I are like, we gotta be like on top of our game for next couple of months because like, oh my gosh, we are chubby. We gained a lot of weight over past 2 months or something like that, which is funny because we're like, oh, we gotta go to Mexico, let's like eat healthy and like lose a couple of pounds, but we actually, both of us gained more weight, which is funny. But anyways, to wrap up, I thought I should wrap up the video because I don't remember what I filmed last in Mexico, but regardless, it was like hell of a trip back because our flight was delayed like 5 hours. So we changed to an earlier flight, which was like 2 hours earlier, like maybe an hour and a half and 2 hours earlier. I don't know if it was worth doing that because all of us ended up sitting separately. I ended up sitting alone with Aiden, and it was okay in the beginning, but it definitely got difficult a little later, like towards the end of the flight, because he really wanted to see daddy, and obviously daddy was sitting by himself comfortably somewhere else. So it was a bit difficult. I think I cried a little bit because it felt like everything, like when he started crying and like nothing calmed him down, like TV, like game, nothing calmed him down. Like everything kind of went black for me. I'm like, oh my god, what do I do? Like I don't want to cause inconvenience to anybody. Like I'm freaking out a little bit, so I like started tearing up a little. But he did calm down. I think, I don't know if he saw that I was really frustrated, or I don't know what it was, but he eventually calmed down. And that it might not even, I don't even think it lasted 5 minutes. Maybe like, I know it didn't pass 10 minutes, but it felt long. And it just like, I'm sure like my parents heard Aiden, I'm sure Tong heard him, but you know, they couldn't really get up. And because it was actually like towards the end where like people shouldn't like, weren't allowed to get up or recommended not to get up. Yeah, so there was a little bit of issue with the ticketing, you know, because we changed the flight, issue with seating. The flight was so packed because, you know, I think a lot of people that were on our flight hopped onto the same flight that we changed to. So it was a very full plane. But thankfully, we were assigned in the front of the plane and there were a lot of other kids. So I didn't feel as bad because those kids were pretty loud too. We were originally supposed to be back in Chicago at 5 and we were gonna do like a Korean dinner and just kind of like wrap up the trip like that. But we ended up coming to Chicago at 9. So yeah, so none of our plans really worked out. Everyone was tired, frustrated, so we just kind of like, yeah, like departed that way. So it's the beginning of the trip was so smooth. It was great, but I think towards the end it was just like it was a headache. We were just like ready to go home. I'm sure you guys could tell that I'm pretty tan, right? My stomach area, oh my gosh, it's red. Like this area is red. Face, I was peeling a lot this morning, so I was also freaking out about that because I have to go to work, but I was able to just kind of scrub it off. Thankfully, I had to go find a darker foundation. But yeah, we're home sweet home. We still miss Mexico. It was beautiful and fun while it lasted, but we are also glad to be home safe and sound. So yeah, I wanted to wrap up the trip like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.